I am Meera, a travel enthusiastic and an explorer. This is my effort to show you guys the world through my eyes and sharing my experience. If you are passionate and love to wander, do consider subscribing, like, share to your friends and family. I choose my first destination, which is known as the city of dreams, that is Vienna. Wien is what is called in German. In this video, I would like to share you the information about number 1, the mode of transport that I use to reach my destination. Number 2, some tips and tricks. Number 3, Vienna tour to the world famous ring tram. And number 4, my experience with Airbnb. So stay tuned and let's enjoy the trip. As I live in Germany, for me, all modes of transport are open. Initially, I took the local transport to reach Nuremberg, and here begins the real journey. The railway station of Nuremberg is one of the big railway stations in the Bavaria state. For me, it was the nearest connecting point and a perfect start to begin the journey. Heading towards this railway station of Nuremberg, and from there we will be going towards our Flixbus station where we need to catch up our bus for to Vienna. This is, as you can see, the railway station is pretty much empty. Person having the bicycles, be especially careful when you jump into the train. Don't just jump into any other doors. You need to check out the sign and jump into this particular door because there are special arrangements in the train in Germany. When you get down into this railway station in Germany, you need to take care that you get into this area where there are some kind of charts like this. You can check out the train timings for the departure and for the arrival, and accordingly you get into the platform. So don't forget to be early on the platform because the trains over here do not give any kind of signals. They just run away. As you can see, the railway station has many shops and food counters, but without wasting my time, I move out the railway station, and after walking of around 10 minutes, I finally arrived the bus stops. Here, I waited for the Flixbus for an hour or so, and it was running late. And finally, I boarded the bus. Flixbus is one of the good connecting network bus services in Europe. I choose bus as my way of travel for 2 reasons. First, to explore the roads and admire the beauty of nature, and second, it was the cheapest mode to reach. Definitely the next question that will pop to your mind is how. Well, like every country, even Europe has great bus facilities. Don't think that they have sponsored me for this. Also, it's not true that the buses are always cheap. But there is a special voucher of 5 tickets of Flixbus that everyone can utilize, costing 99 euros. The next question will be how to utilize them. For that, check out the Flixbus website that I have linked in the description. That makes a return ticket for me of 40 euros. Nothing that I know can be more cheaper than that. I had to board the bus in the middle of the night, and the next morning we reached Vienna. It was around 5 to 6 hours of journey. I arrived at ERDBERG bus terminal of Vienna. It is a little bit in outskirts, but not to worry. The fabulous transport system in Vienna has made the connections very easy. Just in a minute of 5 or less walking distance, there is a metro station with the same name, and from there you can reach your destination easily. I boarded the metro that took me to Karlsplatz to get the Vienna Pass. It is one of the main metro stations of Vienna. Let me mention, we also bought a 3-day travel pass. A local transport was not included in Vienna Pass. With this travel pass, I can use multiple times of all kinds of local transport modes in entire Vienna. It costed me around 17 euros and that was the cheapest way to roam rather than buying single tickets. The day doesn't start without breakfast and coffee. In the metro station, there is the most affordable takeaway shop, BnB. I grabbed some sandwiches and coffee to fill my tummy and get energized. Remember, do your homework, that is some research about different passes available for sightseeing in Vienna, which helped me to choose the Vienna Pass, and I bought that already online. Important. Don't forget to check out online as you may find sometimes exciting deals. It generally costs 125 euros for 3 days, but in offer I got it for 112 euros. We reached into Karlsplatz where I have to reach. I'm going to go to this Vienna Pass center. I already bought this Vienna Pass. I'm staying for 4 days over here and 3 days I'm going to travel. The 4th day I'm going to go back home. That's why I've got this Vienna Pass. So this one, it's a yellow pass and you can use the open hop bus for all 3 days, Ringstrasse with the Tram for one time, and you get 60 more attractions to jump in and look out the beautiful sights. There's some more attractions to it. You can find the link below in my descriptions where you can find this pass, and you can, later on I'll describe you what is the difference between the Vienna Pass and the City Pass and what are the uses of this. Till now, let's go forward and check out the place in Vienna. Find lots of people driving bicycles. There are special roads over here where you can see the bicycles been running around the roads. They have been given a special kind of signals. You have to follow the signals. As I came out of metro station, the very first thing that I spotted was the famous opera house of Vienna. But without being distracted, I headed to board the world-famous ring tram of Vienna. I utilized my Vienna Pass as one-time tour is included in it. The Vienna ring tram is the unique yellow tram that can be boarded from Swedenplatz station and helps you to get an overview of the city in 25 minutes. It is the only tram that allows you to travel around the Ringstrasse without changing trams. The ring road around the city center, also called Ringstrasse in German, is a part of Austrian World Heritage Sites. While traveling in the ring tram, you will pass through the most famous sites such as the Vienna State Opera, Hofburg, Parliament, City Hall, Burgertheater, Kunsthistorische Museum, and much more along the ring road. Sitting in the ring tram gives you the glorifying historic feel that with an outlook of modern Vienna. Later on, I changed my tram as I wanted to head towards my Airbnb apartment. In this way, you can see Vienna, that is Wien Bratislav cruise stop. From here, you can board the cruise to Bratislavia from Vienna. These are called twin cities and they are connected by river Danube. Also, you can board small trips. One of the small trips is included in Vienna Pass. Okay, I need to mention here that I booked my apartment through Airbnb. I think most of you might already know about it. If not, let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a video on that, and I will be glad to share you info about how you can experience a personalized, comfortable tour with Airbnb and how you can make an account. Let's go and have a tour to my Airbnb room. This is the entrance where people just put their stuff. There's a decoration over here, and this is my room. Let's go in. So, this is a wonderful room. You can see there's a double bed, sitting area, my wardrobe where I put my stuff over here, a beautiful chair over here to sit, and this lovely, beautiful atmosphere from the window over here, a beautiful painting, and you can see here there's a tiny little statue of Lord Ganesha. So let's jump into my bed. Oh, I just love it. It's so cozy. And the host, she is so friendly. She just gave me all kind of information on what I need to see over here, what I need to take care of, where the nearest tram station is, where is this main place to go, how to go, and she is just wonderful and very helpful. I can contact her anytime in the day. And let's go and have a look over our kitchen here. I can put any stuff over here, and there's a fridge, there is a gas stove, there are some fruits over here, and 3 little tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Here to sit here, just having a wonderful iced coffee in the morning. And let's go to the sitting area now. So this is the sitting area. Tables are wonderful. You can have just a look, such a wonderful place. So everyone out there watching this video, I hope you like this video. In my next upcoming videos, you will discover how to make the most of Vienna Pass, some do's and don'ts, and Vienna initially for 3 to 4 days. Now comes the most important thing. Please don't forget to share your travel experience with your friends and family, and for that, like, share and subscribe. And yes, one more thing, do write in the comment section below how you find this video and what things I need to improvise. And one more thing, what Europe destination shall I cover next? Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, keep exploring. Goodbye.